Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to talk about TISS Accelerator program. So what is it? It is a program for the next stage of TISS, that TISS selection process. So those of you who have qualified TISS net can appear for this program or can enroll to this program. Here we will give you comprehensive guidance in all the processes of TISS, be it extempore, DAF filing or your OPIs. Okay, so I will start and first speak about the art of spontaneous speaking. So there is something called ERT round, and there is, the first impression you will have in front of panel will be through the ERT, that is extempore round. Before your interview you will have to speak upon a topic that will be extempore, and that will have the first impression, and that is why how you are going to perform in that is going to decide your performance in interview also. So it is very crucial. Now what is required for that? For taking an extempore, you will be thrown a topic. Upon that you will have to think for a minute, and then you will have to start speaking for 3 minutes. So the point here is you just have 3 minutes and you have to speak each and everything without a break. So for that you will require practice. The art of spontaneous speaking is honed by practice only. Come and learn the art of organizing your thoughts in limited time and speak effortlessly. For that we will have some clubhouse sessions, and we will not have 1, 2, 3, but we will have more than 25 clubhouse sessions, okay, in this course. So where you can participate, you can overcome the fear of speaking which you might have, you can overcome the fear of the hesitation of speaking which you might have, and you can gradually improve in speaking process. That is why it is very, very important. Now the other thing is you can have, so we will have clubhouse sessions every alternate day, regular practice extempore at United Club from 10 PM to 11 PM. So last year when Clubhouse was launched in India, that is on 21st of May, I made the account on 26th of May. Okay, here you can see. And when TISS came up with this extempore round, I launched this program where many of my students came and most of them were selected. As you can see, all these students are selected students in various courses like TISS HRM, then TISS ODCL, MHA, MPH, etc. Okay. Now apart from that we also did something last year which we are going to do this year also, that is 1-to-1 personalized extempore to give you real experience of the extempore process. So here, as you can see in the video, I will play the video. That 1-to-1 extempore happens on Zoom, and you will be given a topic. You will have to think for it for 30 seconds, and then you will have to start speaking, and after that you will get the feedback. So now I am going to play the video. Just observe how it will be. Role of HR is basically people, and people are basically emotional beings. Okay, so basically you can say it is emotional management. The role of HR is starting from hiring to everywhere. Okay, now how it will help everyone. Before speaking that, you will define emotional intelligence. Define emotional intelligence is the ability to perceive one's own emotion and that of others, to use the knowledge, use it for fulfilling personal. So basically here you saw a sample where a topic was given, and then 1 minute time was given to the student. He thought over it and he started speaking for 3 minutes. After he is speaking, I gave the feedback that what should be added to it, what should not be added, okay, and how one should speak. Okay, we'll do our 1-to-1 extempore sessions. Now we can come to this one, which is a very crucial thing, and not many people know about the importance of it. Okay, it is the detailed application form. It is called DAF. That DAF will be released in some day by TISS. But what we'll do, we'll give you all the questions which might be there in the DAF, so that you can prepare those questions right now only. Okay, so that you can prepare your question, and then we are going to review those questions before taking our first mock interview. The detailed application form plays a crucial role during the interview, so it is important that it should be filled in proper manner. We will review your form before you take the mock interview. Okay, because most of the questions which will be there will be from detailed application form itself in the interview. Now come to this one, online personal interview. So after you filling that, this clubhouse session will be going on every night from 10 to 11 or every alternate night from 10 to 11. In between, I will take some classes on how classes on Zoom on how to fill that and do stuffs. Okay, and then I will give you the questions of that. You can write the DAF yourself, and then I will correct them whether they are correct or not, and then we will plan your first mock interview. Online personal interview by highly qualified panel and personalized feedback from each of the panelists. Okay, this we have planned that there will be a panel of 3 who will be taking your interview, and they all will be giving their feedback individually. Okay, that is the thing we have planned. And then what will happen apart from that, every week we will have several classes. In those classes we'll discuss some of the important things, facts which you should know for HRM, for health courses, for any other courses. Okay, for example, you can see here, this is an example of some of the posters you will be shared from time to time, where some of the keywords will be shared, like job burnout. It is very important term for an HR. Glass ceiling is a very important term for an HR. What is the perfect definition of job burnout? The perfect definition is job burnout is a special type of work-related stress, state of physical or emotional exhaustion that also involves a sense of reduced accomplishment and loss of personal identity. And then telemedicine, what is that? Telemedicine, which literally means healing at a distance, signifies the use of ICT to improve patient outcomes by increasing access to care and medical information. Okay, so this particular definition has been taken from WHO. Okay, so this is a WHO definition. So whenever you are speaking something, you should try to use standard definition. So all of that I'm going to tell you while we'll prepare for Extempore, what you have to say, what definitions, what data you have to keep, okay, while you speak. So all of that I will be not just telling you but also sharing you. Apart from that, as I said, notes and some classes on socio-political event will be also conducted, because a socio-political event can be topic in Extempore, or otherwise they might be asked in your interview, because last year also many of them came. So for that there will be regular classes from time to time which you will be informed of, and you can take that. Okay, so this is the thing we have planned. Now the course fee for this, is rupees 2,200 for HRM course or OD cell course. That is, if you have just one course, then it is 2,200. But if you have 2 courses, you want to accommodate all of that in one course, then you will have to pay 200 extra, because your DAFs will be different, which will be reviewed by us, and the panelists will have to read that. So it will consume time. So 200 extra we are charging for that. For any other course like MPH, MHA, etc., or social science courses, the fee is 2,000. Okay. If you want to enroll, you can enroll at WhatsApping me 7764869624. You have to WhatsApp me at this particular number 7764869624 and mention your name, your email ID, the courses in which you have cleared the examination, that is TISS examination, the cutoff which you have cleared, and then you have to pay me the amount. I will tell you how to pay the amount once you will message me, and once you pay the amount, I will add you to a respective group. Once that happens, you will be getting your schedule for interview, you will be getting your schedule for one-to-one OPI. Everything will happen in some following days.